Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Quinn. Hi! For today's video, I'm going to be unboxing a Louis Vuitton bag. It's not a true unboxing because I have already unboxed it. I got it for my birthday and I want to share with you guys and show you guys some mod shot and how I would style or wear this bag. So if you guys are interested, then please continue watching. So it came in this huge box. I tried to repackage everything. Obviously it comes with a receipt, and my essay was really nice. She always sends me like perfume samples, so this is what this is. I'll show you. So she sent me like a bunch of perfume samples, which is very nice of her. And this is the box. Horrible ribbon skills, but I tried. Anyways, let's just unbox it first and then I'll go into the details. Here we go. Dust bag, and it's the Palm Spring Mini. It is so stinking cute. It's really important to me that this front symbol here aligns. Like, there was another backpack and the monogram didn't align as well. It was kind of giving like a double vision effect. So I got this one. Okay, so quick story on this. I've seen this backpack maybe like 3-ish years ago in 2017, I think. People were wearing it as a backpack. I didn't really like it back then because I don't like backpacks. I'm not like a backpack type of person. But maybe like a year or two later, I start seeing people wearing this as a crossbody, and that's like when I die. Like, I needed to get it because it's just so casual and really cute. I like this backpack. I just didn't like it as much seeing it as a backpack, so I never plan on getting it or whatever. But yeah, so when I saw it as a crossbody, I couldn't stop thinking about it. So I finally got it for my birthday, which is a couple days ago, and I'm so excited to wear it. Okay, so let's go over some of the specs. This backpack is the newer version of the old mini Palm Spring with the exposed zipper. So the old version, this little flap here covered the zipper, and this one is exposed. So when I saw the exposed version, I knew that this backpack is for me. Like, there's a reason why I've been hesitant on it and wait. I mean, not like I did that on purpose, I couldn't afford it, but the exposed zipper is just so much better because it's not caught on anything. It's really smooth, it looks clean. I like the exposed look personally. I just really like it. So it's perfect. Anyways, the straps are inside, and this bag is made in France, so perfect. I used to not care so much if a bag is made in France, Italy, US, or whatever, but now I'm starting to care and I appreciate it more. I think it's very special now that it's made in France, maybe because I've been watching too much YouTube. So I'm gonna try to show you like closer shots of it. And the date code is also in here, and it's like on this side of the bag. It was made week 25 of 2020. So that's like in June like 15, the week of like June 15, 2020. So it's relatively really new. It's probably like only 2 weeks old, 3 weeks old. And obviously they have to ship it over. So it's really new and it smells new. I want to talk to you a little bit more about this bag. My essay actually had two versions of this bag, the reverse and this monogram version. I personally love looking at the reverse. Like, I'm always drawn to looking at the reverse Palm Spring. It's just really unique and really stylish, just really nice. But I know that personally my style is monogram. I'm a monogram girl. I just love the Louis Vuitton monogram. There's something about it that I really enjoy looking at, so I went with the monogram and I don't regret it. I think it suits a lot of my outfits I have. I'm a really casual person. I'm always in like sweats and t-shirts, so this is gonna suit my lifestyle a lot better. And no vachetta leather. I love that it's just all black. It's really low maintenance, and if it's raining you don't have to worry about ruining the vachetta leather or anything like that. So yes, I love it. It's very cute. And you guys know that I have the NANO SPEEDY that I really love, and I unboxed it like last year, but I don't find myself using it that often. I did use it when I first got it and I stopped using it. I don't use it anymore. Maybe because we've been quarantined, but I don't like the vachetta strapped. I just don't like it, so I can't just wear it casually. My day-to-day life, I've been working from home, so I don't go anywhere, and the only places I go to is the USPS store and groceries and Starbucks. That's it. And I think this will suit my style way better. I can take this bag everywhere I go and not have to worry about nothing. So that being said, I want to share with you how I would style this bag. Okay, so here's the strap. Okay, you guys, please comment down below and tell me that I'm not the only one. If you guys own the mini palm spring and you have to unbuckle the strap, please tell me that it's really hard to unbuckle the strap. Like when I first got it, I don't know, I got so frustrated. It took me like 30 minutes sitting there trying to unbuckle this and trying not to damage the strap, and right now I'm trying to open it right now and it still doesn't work. I thought I had it figured out, but I guess not. See that little button? There's a little leather line. Are you supposed to pull it up this way, pull the back strap back? I have no idea, but and I tried looking up tutorials on this, nothing. I don't understand. I don't understand how you open this. Like what the F? Oh, finally, I got it. Please tell me that I'm not the only one struggling to open the buckle. Anyways, oh my god, that like, okay, so anyways, I want to share with you how I'm going to style this. Okay, so this is how I'm going to strap on the strap. So I took the baby strap and the long strap apart, right? Take the baby strap and lay it flat on the bottom and have the little buckle facing up with the longest strap and the button facing downwards. And this is the height that works best for me, is putting in the second hole. I'm 5'5", so if you're kind of like the same height, maybe this is the length that will work for you too. Or if you're a little bit shorter, then you can put it on the first hole, and then with the bottom strap just put it in the hole that it aligns with and press close. And then, you know, the little belt here, just put it forward to secure it so the little belt tail doesn't swing up, and then do the same to the other belt tail, secure it. All right, this is what I do. I'm going to take the front strap and strap it on to my left side of the bag, and then also strap it onto the right bottom corner so it's like a little cross. Take the other strap and do the same, strap it next to the first one. Okay, so this is what it looks like with the strap on, and this is how I like to wear it. I'm gonna show you. Okay, so you can wear it like this. I'm right-handed, so I want to swing it across my body to the right. So this is kind of what it looks like. And if you want it a little bit shorter, you can buckle it up and it'll just sit like this, so it's kind of more of a fanny pack look. But I think this length is like a good length for me. I like how it's double strap. I actually haven't seen people wear with a double strap. I was wearing it with the one strap, but then I'm like, what am I gonna do with the other strap? It's like lonely sitting in my box. So I strapped on the second one and it looks pretty good. I kind of like this look better, and it's like really chill and comfortable. Oh, by the way, so remember this, the key pouch that I unboxed in my latest video. If you haven't seen it, I'll link it up here. I just couldn't get rid of it. I really like it. So I kept the key pouch, and this is what I did today when I went to get some coffee. I hooked the key pouch onto the right side of the handle and I clicked it closed so it's easier for me to take my credit cards in and out, right? And it looks so cute. Hello. Practical and cute. Anyways, and it's not damaging to the handle because it fits kind of perfectly. It's not tugging on it, it's not squeezing it. It just sits perfect. Another way I would wear it is swing it over to your left side, and now it's kind of like a backside backpack. It's not like a backpack, it's just like a side bag from the bag. And then you still have like the double strap look from the front, and it just kind of hugs your back. For the last look, I'm going to remove these two bottom straps, hook it onto here. I love this double strap look so much, you guys. Tell me what you guys think. Sorry I'm moving you guys because the lighting in my room is so bad, but I want to show you this last way to style the bag. And all three of these ways, you don't have to adjust the strap anymore. This way I just relatch and then wear. So this is how this looks. It's more of a straight backpack look versus being slanted, and it looks really cute this way too. I like my bag facing like towards the front because it's easier for me to access. Sideways. Anyway, so that's how I would personally style this bag. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and comment down below and let me know if you found this video helpful, and let me know how you guys would style this bag, or what are your thoughts on it. Subscribe if you haven't already, and click the post notification bell to get notified when I post next, and I will see you in my next video.